We have finally arrived to the sea. Some people are just relaxing here, and some are playing. They were playing volleyball, trying to, but now they're probably going to the football field with their ball. Well, there's a big field of the beach, but there are a couple of gates which limit this field. Nice weather, even though it's evening, like 6:30, something like this. It took me 40 minutes to come here, something around 40 minutes, but because I had to make stops to belt the kid because he unbelted himself. And it's my first trip with a kid by my own to the sea. And let's see what is sea. Let's see the sea. Here is the sea, and we have found a very nice place near the log. Привет. And I'm going to touch the water. Anyway, the sand is very warm. Вода, да. Вода. The sand is very warm, even though it's evening. I'm sure the water is cold. It's always cold here, but let's try. Let's see. What is nice, it's not too many people here. It's never too many people anywhere on the island. And we can enjoy some privacy everywhere. Somebody is swimming already. And I'm gonna swim as well. It must be very cold. Very cold. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's very cold indeed. Only for the very brave people who are used to cold temperatures. Very cold, freezing cold. But kids still get their legs into the water, and this guy is real morj, how to say, somebody who isn't afraid of the cold water. This guy is really trained for the ice cold water. But as you know, as you have probably seen on my channel, I have plunged into the cold river in winter and the lake, so I must do this today as well. Just stay with me and you will see this performance soon. From the second time it doesn't seem that cold, so just bear with me a little bit. Enjoy the beautiful scenery of the very cold sea, which is part of the ocean, of Pacific Ocean. Баба! Ку-ку! Скажи! Ку-ку! Мама! Ну тут нет бабы, я просто, чтобы ты привет передал. We're saying hello to our grandma. Ну все. Kids are playing with the waves. Да? Сейчас мама придет. О, обалдеть. Ага. done it, and it's very cold. I don't know how to transform it to you, this feeling, but once you go out of the water you feel so good. And the water is, the sea is very calm today actually, almost no wind. It's not very typical for June, especially. June is very cold here, you can never swim normally in June, apart from the fact if you're a morge, if you are used to cold water.